Hi, this is just a quick video to let you know about a problem with the Arduino Nesso N1. Now, as I mentioned in my previous video, what I want to use my Nesso for is to have two of them, and I'm using a little screen and I'm using the antenna for connecting via LoRa, and I'm using the battery management system to let me know. And what I want it to do is, if we have a power cut here when we're on holiday, one Nesso can say, oh, no power, and it will contact the Nesso at our neighbours and let them know that we have a power cut and they need to turn our electricity on. So that meant that I was kind of unplugging and plugging in the battery to see, for testing purposes and things. And here we go, here's the manual, and it says power supply can be USB-C connector, built-in battery, or the VIN pin. And if you go down here to battery, there you go, you can enable charging, battery voltage, get charge level, blah 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 blah, and checking for external power. And what I was doing was, if it was running on external power, that's fine, otherwise I would send a message. All well and good, but there's a problem. There's a big problem. The battery management system, I don't know what it was doing, but when it wasn't recharging the battery, and when it had run down, it was kind of bricking the Nesso, and it just wouldn't work. Well, that's what happens when you brick it. And Arduino knew about this. I was actually in contact with them at the time, and they didn't warn me, because I could have stopped doing what I was doing if they'd told me. And they've done a kind of temporary fix, but it's no good to me, and I would tell you for why. Now, this is how to recover after battery deleted using enable charge, blah blah blah. You use you power it from somewhere else, and you plug into ground, and you plug into 3.3 volts, their little connections at one end, and then you connect the USB cable. In my case, it would be to my Windows 11 PC, and then you go on and you copy that sketch, you upload it into your Nesso, and it will fix it. Apart from if, in my case, the USB device was, there's nothing else down there, the USB device was malfunctioning so badly that it said USB device not recognized, and I tried, I don't know, 10 different ways. I googled everything, how to get it to recognize it, and the last one said, no, I think if you've tried all that, it is dead. So pretty annoying. So I'm now waiting for Arduino to get back to me to send me a replacement, because I wouldn't want it. I wouldn't want either of them unless I can get it working. But that sketch here, I think they are working on a permanent fix for it. So I just wanted to let you know, do not let your battery run down, do not run it on battery power, and mainly do not do battery.enable charge. That will kill it. So I hope this will help people. I wish someone had told me before I murdered my poor old Nesso.